Garlic is one of my favorite crops to grow. You plant it right at the end of the growing season, usually here in New England around the last week in October, and it grows all winter. Deer won't touch it, rabbits leave it alone, and woodchucks really don't go near it. So essentially, most mammals except humans don't want to have anything to do with garlic. It's a plant that you can actually use to deter mammals, deer, rabbits, and woodchucks from coming into your garden. Garlic also has a pretty good value when you think about the cost of buying an organic head of garlic at the store. You're usually going to pay around $3 to $4 per head at places like Whole Foods. So if you think about it, growing a pound of tomatoes doesn't have that same value. So it's a very high value crop. It grows in winter when nothing else is growing, and you don't really need to manage it. You don't need to do a lot of weeding except late in the spring, and you don't really have to water it because it's gonna get all the snow, all the rain from the cold months. Garlic also doesn't have a lot of pests. I mean, there are some fungi that can go after it, but essentially, when we think about garlic in the world of herbal medicine, garlic is antifungal, so it's a very strong crop. I love growing garlic. One thing that I do like to do is I heavily mulch my garden beds. I usually put around almost a foot deep of dry leaves that I collect in September and October. I pile those on top of my garlic beds after I put the different cloves in the ground. Great crop, super easy to grow. It's really the highest value crop that I grow here at this particular site.